Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can turn on dark mode for YouTube Studio desktop site on your Google Chrome browser. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So you've seen this message appear at the top right of your YouTube Studio page saying dark mode is here and you can enable it. But as I navigate to the top right menu, I don't see it anywhere at all. I did some research and it seems like YouTube is just teasing this news. And on their Twitter page, they have confirmed it is still not yet available. It will appear in the future, but we don't know when. However, if you want dark mode for your YouTube Studio, then keep watching this video. So let me show you how to. Open your Google Chrome browser, navigate to Google Chrome Web Store. Now here, search for Night Shift Redux. Install this extension. Once installed, you'll see the extension take effect. Go into your extension toolbar and select the Night Shift Redux extension. You should see a moon icon appear at the top right, and then a small menu will appear underneath it. Make sure dark mode is selected and deselect night mode. Your YouTube Studio page should turn dark. You can even schedule the time of when dark mode should start on your browser. Since this extension is for Google Chrome, dark mode will work on most of the websites. And there you go, that is how to enable dark mode for your YouTube Studio desktop site. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.